So I'm going to talk about the Sashers today, which is a great tool for making bindings, bag handles, and sashing. To make the binding, first thing you do is you cut a 2.5-inch strip as you normally would. You want to fold it in half, and to get it started you just press the initial fold. I use a 1.25 inch Sasher. Put it through with the fold at the top. Put it through second, and I'm going to use a fork pin, which is a very handy thing for matching plaids, matching seams, and it holds the binding much better than a single pin. I'm going to start it. The Sashers are made so that they have a curve so that the iron works with it, and the iron will push it along and fold your binding. Now it goes over the seam. You do your seams in your bindings, you press open, and the Sasher just goes right over them. You can also do, there are various sizes, you can also do different sashings to go on your quilt as you go. You can make a larger one, a 1-inch one. I've folded this in, I've done this already, and this one is the 1/2 inch. And again, I'm going to use the pin to hold it down. Hold the two sides down, this one does. And then I'm just going to move this along, and I make the 1/2 inch sashing like this, iron it, and I'm going to glue it onto this, the black one that I've already done, and place it over my seams on my quilt as you go sample.